Radhe Radhe. Welcome once again. We are supposed to start now exercise 2.2. Now for this exercise 2.2, we are supposed to have some basic knowledge. The basic knowledge is of factorization. Now factorizations children have already studied in standard 7, 8, 9 and now application is in 10. We are not supposed to study whole factorization, but we'll get a very small rule for factorization. I call it as Triloki Baba's rule for factorization. Now this rule tells first step is common. We are supposed to see the sum whether anything is common or not. Common comes in two parts, that is first is whole and another is in parts. We'll study in detail when you go with the sums. Second rule here is identities. We have already studied in smaller standards identities, that is a plus or minus b whole square, a square minus b square, a cube plus or minus b cube, and a plus or minus b whole cube. So this is second step, identity. Third is splitting of middle term is the third thing. And fourth, factor theorem, which we have already studied in 9th standard in the same chapter, that is polynomial. So mainly this year we are supposed to use of x minus 1 and x plus 1 is a factor. यानी ये जो फैक्टराइजेशन का रूल है इसे हम याद कैसे रखेंगे? हमें याद रखने के लिए हमारे पास यहाँ पे 4 स्टेप हैं, दैट इज सी आई एस एफ. सी का मतलब होता है कम, आई का मतलब हुआ इन, एस का मतलब हुआ सिट एंड एफ का मतलब हुआ फर्स्ट. हम किसी को भी कहीं पर भी अगर बुलाएंगे और बिठाएंगे तो हम ऐसा कहेंगे come in and sit first. Always remember, come in and sit first. Come, C belongs to common, in means identity, and of no use, sit yani splitting of middle term, and first that means factor theorem. Now we have many things to be done here. Here in this exercise, that is exercise 2.2, we are having two questions. That is, first question is find zeros and verify relation between zeros and coefficient. Now relation between zeros and coefficient is to be verified mostly. And in the second question we are having to form an equation. Now for first one, that is first sum here is x square minus 2x minus 8. Now let us move to it. Now, as it has been told, we are supposed to find the zeros first. I'll see this first term. I'll keep in mind that is CISF common. First I'll see, is there anything common in this equation? No. Okay, leave it down. Second, is there any identity used here? नहीं, कोई identity use नहीं है, छोड़ दो उसे भी. तीसरा, splitting of middle term. हाँ, middle terms use हो रहा है. तो मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिट करने के लिए भी हमारे पास एक छोटा सा रूल है. तो हम इसे ऐसा करते हैं, हम फर्स्ट टर्म और लास्ट टर्म के कोएफिशिएंट को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. यहाँ पर 1 है, यहाँ पर -8 है, तो इसका प्रोडक्ट हो गया -8. अब यहाँ पर -8 न लिख के हम यहाँ पर सिर्फ 8 लिखते हैं और माइनस की साइन को यहाँ बीच में लिख देते हैं. और मिडिल टर्म में आपके पास -2 है. अब हम इसे ऐसे बोलते हैं, 8 के ऐसे फैक्टर्स निकालो कि माइनस करके 2 आए. सो नाउ इट इज 4 2s 8, 4 2s 8, बट आई एम सपोज टू गेट योर आंसर 2. तो मेरा आंसर 2 कैसे आएगा? मिडिल टर्म के पास जो भी साइन है वो ग्रेटर नंबर को दीजिए और अपोजिट साइन